The Potensic ATOM SE Drone is a lightweight device, weighing less than 249 grams, making it convenient for travel and resistant to level 5 wind conditions due to its inbuilt brushless motor. Equipped with a 1/3-inch Sony sensor, the drone boasts a 4K Electronic Image Stabilization camera that can capture 12-megapixel photos and 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Designed to be user-friendly, the drone features a SurgeFly flight control system that offers a beginner mode and 3 different flight modes, with a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. The drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, each offering a flight time of 31 minutes, providing a total flight time of 62 minutes. The control range of the drone extends up to 4 kilometers, thanks to the PixSync 2.0 technology, which ensures low latency for high-definition digital video. The drone has precise GPS auto-return functionality in multi-flight modes, making it easy to control and versatile in usage.